Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change the keyboard language on Motorola Edge 50 Pro. In order to do that, first we need to head to the settings, then in the settings we want to scroll all the way down and go to system. In the system we want to tap keyboard, and finally over here we need to go to on-screen keyboard. There we go. Now choose your keyboard. In most of the cases you probably want to use Gboard. This is the default one that we use. And then over here we need to tap languages. And here we need to press add keyboard button, search for your language and tap on it. Over here you can adjust the layout if needed, and then we can press done. And there we go, we have added a keyboard language. Now if we have that, then we can go back and let's try to type something somewhere. Let's find some notes, or actually let's go to messages. And now over here we need to press and hold the space if we want to change the keyboard. So over here you can select a different one if needed, like so. Now we can also go to the language settings one more time, and then we can tap on the pen in the top right corner, and we can adjust the order. So this would be the default order. And if you want to completely remove a language, then you can tap on the square and then press the trash icon in the top right corner. And there we go. Then you are left with only one language. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.